Good year to be an investor.
Yeah, the ASX has just posted its best year since 1.5 metres was a thing. Australia's 200 biggest publicly listed companies put on just shy of 10% in the financial year just ended. Take out the post-COVID rebound in 2021 because that was an outlier, and 2024-25 was the best year in the last 15. The stock you will most regret not buying was naval shipbuilder Austal. That's not altogether unsurprising. The company's the subject of a takeover bid, which is always good for a share price, plus demand for warships is not dropping anytime soon, courtesy of 4 people you definitely don't want to ride share with.
No! God, please, no!
What is surprising about the ASX winners list is that 4 out of the top 10 stocks were in one commodity.
I love gold.
Bullion prices are insane.
Surging value of gold underpins share price jumps of between 101 and 150% for miners Spartan Resources, Evolution Mining, Genesis Minerals and Regis Resources. This is an unusual phenomenon. Historically, gold companies perform badly when the rest of the share market is going well. Gold's a safe haven investment. You buy it when you think the shit's about to hit the fan.
$140 billion.
Everyone knew that gold was only ever one bad hairdo away from a bull run. Trump's inauguration in January predictably heralded market mayhem. So it made sense that the bullion price would go up, but it didn't make sense that the rest of the market would follow and hit it out of the park as well. Investors were sad, scared, happy and confident all at the same time.
Didn't make any sense.
Gold doesn't make sense. You think about it. What is gold really needed for, apart from gangsters' teeth or opulent gifts for Saudi royalty? It's used in ever so small quantities in electronics and aviation, but it's not like other minerals like iron ore or commodities like rare earths, where you need a mass quantity to build anything. Gold used to have measurable worth. The value of a nation's currency was directly linked to how much bullion that country held. But that changed in 1971 when Richard Nixon gave 2 fingers to what was known as the gold standard and let market forces of supply and demand dictate the value of the US dollar.
So it's really just psychological.
As long as we all believe gold will hold its value in times of trouble, then it will hold its value.
Okay, so who are the losers of 2024, 2025?
It was a mixed bag. IDP Education, which makes money from international students, took a bath after the government announced a crackdown on migration. Mineral Resources was down 60% for the year because you don't have time to explain that. Elon's plan for robotic electric taxis couldn't save lithium miner Pilbara Minerals.
Where can I take you tonight?
Drive.
And Australians no longer have the hots for what's in the box with the dots, selling off industrialised lard factory Domino's Pizza.
Yeah, better to have your money in property than pizza.
The ASX is no place for the faint-hearted. It's pretty volatile.
I lost everything.
Not for nothing, but I still reckon buying property is the better bet. At least for most people. The most effective financial advice you will ever get is also the simplest and most boring. Pay off your home as fast as you can and then drink the rest. I'm Ben Harvey.